Hello from the toy room. Now you know what I look before I comb my hair in the morning or put a hat on. I usually don't comb it. So anyways, today is going to be a big day. We're going to move a lot of dirt. Martin's coming in with the bigger skid loader. And then during this video you're also going to see Casey and Roman on the site setting forms and helping us fine grade and get everything ready to go for Friday. So let's get on over to that job site and see how things are coming. Alright, have an awesome day. Kicked a lot of ass today. Got everything rough graded to 5.5, 6 inches. And got that bay fine graded. And we got the footings dug. And we're going to be back on track. Tomorrow we've got Casey coming in. And we're going to be getting this garage floor set up. Got all the steel in it. Got all the steel in this first bay over here. And then grading everything else. So
really that's all we would need like that.
It'll be a good time.
Because then we could tow behind this. Or, you know what I mean? Like when we needed like to do this kind of stuff.
It'll be a good time. Well, good morning. I was just loading up some concrete forms, and then I realized I had a YouTube channel. So here I am. It's probably pretty dark and hard to see me right now, but that's the way it goes. So anyways, we're going to be going back to the job site today. We got to get our first pour completely ready and get the next pour at least partially ready. So it'll be a big day. Casey and Roman are coming in. We'll have the full crew. We should be able to slam and jam. Alright, let's load some forms.
I see you running out of reasons. Don't try to blame it on the seasons. Why you wanna walk away? When we began, swear we had some.
So it turns out that there were not enough pins on site, so I got to the job site this morning. We did our little meeting, and then the guys started distributing the forms around the slab, and I took a look and realized that there are not enough pins there to do that setup. So I'm gonna go and grab some more. We've already grabbed them a couple times from the house when we've been there, so I thought we had enough stockpiled, but I was wrong. So something I should have paid attention to yesterday. You know, we're about 30 minutes away from the job site, so it's, you know, it sucks, but it's not the end of the world. We work, you know, an hour away a lot of times, so could be worse. But yeah, Casey's there. He and Red are going to be blasting out those forms, and Casey's a madman when it comes to setting forms. He'll have that done in no time flat, you know, at least to get them all hung. By the time I get back there, he'll be looking for pins for sure. So I gotta make this quick, get the heck back there, and then get this thing to the shop for an oil change. So I'll keep you informed along the way here.
Someone, and everybody loves somebody, but not just anyone. If you ain't looking, you might just as well be blind, 'cause it's so easy to love, but it's so hard to find.
Alright, so I just loaded up some pins, got some screws, and hopefully that'll do it. That'll be enough for that slab. I'll grab another handful just to make sure. You know, the guys really set that slab up and put that rebar in with really amazing efficiency. I mean, if they could be pulling that off every day, we'd be a multi-million-dollar company by now. But I mean, they did a great job that day. They really jumped things on track, and I was really super proud of every one of them. Nice job, guys.
If
so bright. Honestly, I'm just trying to see if I can break your heart, tear you down, use your love, steal your crown, smile and say, I'm sorry, baby.
All right, so we just got a 2x4 at Home Depot. We're going to be using a crown 2x4 to screed the slab so that the water kind of, you know, it'll probably end up flat, but at least we're putting a little crown on it, and then we'll both load it, and it won't be a sunken floor. It won't hold water, so we'll see how that goes.
Should be good.
Yeah, why not try it? Worth it. So the day went really well. I didn't get hardly any footage early on. I got a little bit, not much in the middle of the day, nothing at the end, but we got everything graded, fine graded. The pour is all ready for tomorrow. All we got to do is put plastic down and tie some rebars in the corner on that shed. So.
Right, the ones that actually we're pouring tomorrow.
Yeah.
We have a little bit more to do for.
We got tape and everything?
Yeah, tape,
Okay.
plastic, all of it.
We've got the goods there.
Yeah. And I did get a little bit of footage at the end and in the beginning.
Okay.
So hopefully we covered it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have plenty for the whole job. You know, just it's gonna seem a little bit sparse here and there. It's gonna be jumping some. What's your stuff we should fill in nicely though.
Right. If we choose to use it, because it's probably garbage footage.
Well, I'm sure that at least some good stuff. Because that camera at the end was pointing right at my beautiful face.
Oh, right on, yeah.
Right.
I did that a couple times actually on purpose, just because. You know, why waste it?
Yeah. Okay. Oh. All right. So, I guess we'll talk to you in the morning in the toilet room. For the pour. Later. All right. It's pour day. First pour day. It is 4:23 in the morning, and I'm gonna be heading out the door momentarily to go get Matt. I'm gonna stop at Home Depot, grab a little bit of spray glue, and then we'll be heading for the job site. So we'll see you out there on the job site. All right, gonna be an awesome day. All right, so we're here marking out some joints, getting everything ready. Mikey's been wetting the grave. Red's clearing a little bit of material out of there so we can get the concrete truck in there. And coming down the home stretch. I'm gonna probably reset this for him, make it work a little bit better. Here comes the mud, boys. Here comes the mud. The style of Bondo. Remus Materials. Coming on in. What do you got to say, Rum?
For my boots.
You can't find your boots, dude?
I brought them out here this morning. Like a fiber bar.
Yeah, it's called Gator Bar. It's a composite material.
Gator bar?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. It's stronger, has a higher tensile strength than a number 4 rebar, but not as high of a shear. You know, but it's got a higher tensile strength than a number 4 metal rebar. Pretty amazing.
But it's probably better at concrete for tensile strength than it is to have the shear strength.
Yeah, yeah, for most cases, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like where there's frost, you might get a little shear thing going on, you know.
Yeah.
But I like it because it won't rust too, you know.
Exactly.
That's kind of
That's concrete's worst enemy is the rebar starting to rust.
yeah, starts to eat it up. My brother's still in Minnesota. He uses Gator Bar up there too.
Yeah.
Been working out pretty good. Been using it for about six years now.
Right on.
You all right with? Are you all right with being on YouTube?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Shoot, man. Hey Mikey, you got a shovel? Yeah. Let's get some shovels ready. We're gonna need to be moving on this sucker.
Hey, what's up, dude? Nice, man. It's Friday. Woo! You gotta work tomorrow, though. Still good to be Friday, though, huh?
Here, let me take it, Mikey.
Perfect. Potato.
Basketball.
Want some water, Johnny?
I don't know what it looks like.
Looks pretty dry to me. Hot potato?
What you got it at?
Huh?
What you got it at?
About 5.5. I put 10 gallons.
Bring it up to a good 5.5 for sure.
Okay.
A good strong 5.5er.
Okay.
A loose 5.5er. I never tell them how many gallons to
the
use.
rule is don't put any gallons in.
That's it.
This is what I want.
Yep. That's my rule.
And here we are, so love rule.
And then the second rule is never put more than 1 gallon per yard. If they won't cooperate. You know. So Mikey,
Yes, sir.
I do want some mud to come underneath because I want to
Okay.
have that little stepped out.
Right.
But then get it on top before it gets up onto that form, you know.
All right.
Is the mud too stiff still, or you think it's all right?
It looks about right to me, but
Yeah. I told him I put it in a 5.5 so we get a little flow out of it, you know.
Does look a little stiff still. Over here with that shovel.
Let it flow.
Come here now, Mike. You've been cutting back on the LBs a little bit, huh, John?
Yeah, a little bit.
Good for you.
it's going back to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I changed my diet completely before that, you know, but
Yeah, you're quite a bit. How much do you think you lost?
40,
That change.
43 pounds.
Well, that's significant.
Yeah, I think so. What a glorious day, huh, boys?
Yeah.
A day without concrete is like a day without sunshine. Man, that's been a really fun week for me.
Really fun week, you said?
Yeah, I love this, man. It's great. Getting out in the field, you know, and just... You don't know what you got till it's gone, you know what I mean?
The water
Like-
never well runs dry.
That's especially true with women.
Well, that's what some say.
Wouldn't say over.
Shit, Overborn Lane might add 10 years to John's life.
Yeah. Truth, man. I've been, like I said, I changed my diet and stuff a while ago, but I really need to get more exercise, you know?
Yeah.
Sitting on that computer all the time is,
Yeah, I was going to say, we were borderline where they were going to have to make the next new zip code.
yeah. Well, he should make it.
Concrete.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring some back. I gotta bring some back for myself a little bit. In case you got all puddled so far.
Rattling, Johnny.
Yeah, it should barely make this one, I think. If it even makes it. It might not even make it, but it shouldn't. Should about make it. Whoa, you okay? No. Where it come? Uh-oh. That ain't good. How much does he have on? How much do you have on?
How much slide was on there to start with? 10?
Make sure that guy comes in head first in the right place over there, will you? Run the numbers on this other one real quick. So the other one is only supposed to take 7.4. So
How many does the other truck have then?
9.
9?
So, and this one is supposed to take 10.77.
And you got 10.5 in this truck?
Yeah. We did alright.
Yeah, yeah. You'll have some left over.
I mean, it's probably. Why don't you take that all down a little bit with the Derby there?
Yeah.
It's taking straight that whole end down with the width of the length of the Derby.
Thank you.
Yeah, just scrape it across and then pull it up into a big pile and then just have Matt bring his shovel over, you know. Hey Mikey Mike.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna screed this end a little bit.
Okay.
And then we can grab that mud and take it up to the front.
Grab that speedboard right there and let me have one end. You get the other end.
Do it.
We were only showing like about a 3/8 of an inch here at the beginning, but it's good to check it out in the middle.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna run this down the middle too, you know. So.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in the middle.
But now that it's been bullfoot, you should be getting a good idea.
Okay, let's set it down nice and light. They're going to be rough, right? Are they going to be putting wedges under both sides?
Maybe.
I just did a tank, 60,000 gallon tank. And I still had to wedge it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About a half, I said?
Huh?
About a half.
Maybe a little less, but keep floating it.
Hey Brett, you want to jump on that bull float? I'm gonna move this form over here real quick. You want to jump on that bull float? I'm gonna move this form over here real quick. I haven't figured out the sequence of putting the handles together yet. But
You go this way too?
yeah, I was gonna go. You know, start in the middle and then work your way out so that it kind of slants it down. You know, so come up the middle and then move one over each way, and then work this whole end this way, and then do the same thing. You want to pour downhill or uphill?
From here back.
Doesn't matter, does it? I'm just figuring if he goes this way, because he's already facing this way, once he gets out there, he can pull out and back up.
I just like driving. I like going on the driver's side, but it's just if you got a bad driver, you know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, passenger side should be.
Oh, and
good.
you want to fix this too, huh?
Yeah.
Want me to turn him around?
Either way, it'll be fixed in a second. This won't take long. Hold it right there. Hold it right on that red mark here. And just hold on the red mark. We're not going that far.
Oh, you're still going to keep your radius.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. Never mind. He's not moving.
Thank God.
I thought he was going to
pick or something.
get out to here. not, it ain't like slivers.
A little sharper radius.
You can get that dirt out of here, Mikey. Right here. And here. Here too. Here, put a little soda on that.
Pull this frame in.
Yeah.
I think the second one's better than the first one. I told him to bring the first one at 5.5 and the second one at 5.
Huh?
I told him bring the first one at 5.5 and the second one at 5, but I think this one looks better than the first one there, then. Should be alright though. Should be nice, really.
That needs to be raised up a little bit, that form there, Mikey.
Raise it up.
That little,
To the steel.
just the end there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, nice.
Martin, can I use the margin saw for about 45 seconds here?
There won't be a lot.
What's the deal with your shoulders nowadays, Mike?
It's some better, but I'm not sure that it's worth it yet. But they say you gotta give it time. My next deal is like on December 1st. Supposed to go down there, so. And it is some better,
Good.
but I don't think I'm gonna.
Golf
Unless
game's
it-
never going to be the same.
Unless it's a lot better, I'm not gonna have the other one done. And the other one's bothering me too. Yeah. I'll just have to learn how to putt because I can't hit it out of my shadow.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
Man, that's a nice room.
Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. Trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Just like so.
Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from.
Beretta, time to hit the edges. You're gonna have to start acting a little bit flashier if you're gonna be called Beretta. Yeah, a little bit. Not much.
Here, we'll roam in and come this way, because John's going to start roaming this one side. Then we'll go to the other side.
Have you run your edger there yet?
Yeah.
Here, yeah.
That's the first square ready.
Yep. See. I'm not even sure if I need to push the pull. I just think the push was beginner. A little bit wet up down here, huh? Not much, huh? Go ahead and hit this with your trowel right here where those like round holes are right there. Just run it. Yeah. I'll drag it back across there. Nice. Nice. Scrubbing. It's a bit hard over here, huh? Never thought I'd cheat on Old Magnolia, but pretty nice boom. The little round things that I push up will sweep right off tomorrow, I'm sure. Can you get this any better, Marty? Right here? Can you get this one spot right here any better? Or? That's better.
Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on the boat, we're killing time.
You guys ready to burn her over here or what?
With a bottle of wine, we're going up, we're coming
Put a little windshield washer motor on that baby and carry a backpack with some day one in it. You just hit the button and it squirts a little out in front of your.
Yeah, we're chilling out here, ladies in the wind, feet in the water, top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron, or a beer in the cup. We all get to dancing, I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, coming out of the bar. Yeah, we're on the boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big sky, we're going up.
Can you turn your burner there, Marty, or are you alright?
Here's the feeling, alright, it's a hell of a time. We're on the boat, we're killing time. In our own honky tonk, meet the big blue sky, we live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling, alright, it's a hell of a time. Kiss me, darling, rock my world, rock my world,
Cover.
rock my world.
Fine room.
Hey.